Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Seagate Expansion 1.5 terabyte portable hard disk drive. This is a portable drive for your PC and Mac. There's an image of the hard disk drive right over here. This also comes with rescue data recovery services as well. Let's quickly take a look at what other information we can gather from the box. Not much, other than the fact that it's written add-on storage for your PC and Mac. 1.5 terabytes, that's the memory capacity of this particular hard disk drive, and that's it. I will now open it and show you what's inside. Move this. And here we are. First up, we have a user manual for the Seagate Expansion portable drive. There you can see everything that you want to know is all given over here. It's an important document, you should keep it safe. This also comes with warranty as well. This is the cable, the data cable that you'll use to transfer data to the hard disk drive. Let me just show you. There you go, this is the data cable. This side will go in the hard disk drive, and this is what will connect to your PC or laptop, the USB-A jack right over here. And this is the 1.5 terabyte hard disk drive from Seagate. This is a Seagate Expansion 1.5 terabyte hard disk drive. This comes with this rugged exterior. This is super solid build. You're not going to break this anytime soon by dropping it. There's also a Seagate logo over here as well. It's a very classy looking hard disk drive, I must say. And this is the port that you will use to connect, to transfer data basically. There's also an LED indicator right over here. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Seagate Expansion 1.5 terabyte portable hard disk drive. Thank you for watching.